Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on HOTWAV Note 12. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and now click install and you can click open. Now click here to skip introduction and now click open permissions, click on AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps and then click back and back again, and now you can click start, and as you can see here is your ChatGPT widget and you can open him and tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded, and if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.